Well, this next song, I learned it when I was a kid. Maybe some of you did as well. It's sung by Pete Seeger, but I didn't learn it because Pete Seeger sang it. I learned it because Peter, Paul, and Mary sang it, right? You know, some more descendants of immigrants who used their privilege and fame to lend a megaphone to some of these causes. And I had no idea what the song was about when I was a kid, right? It was just, there's a hammer and there's a bell and a song, and it's really easy to sing along. And now, I finally get it, right? We all have a hammer. We all have our power, our privilege to lend to the cause. We all have a bell. We all have the ability to make a call to action with our attention. And we all have a song to sing. We all have the words that we can lend to this fight. So I invite you to rise in body and spirit. And let's sing this song just like they used to in the 60s. Here we go. If I had a hammer, I'd hammer in the morning. I'd hammer in the evening all over this land. I'd hammer out danger. I'd hammer out warning. I'd hammer out love between my brothers and my sisters all over this land. Ooh, if I had a bell, I'd ring it in the morning and ring it in the evening all over this land. I'd ring out danger, I'd ring out warning, I'd ring out love between my brothers and my sisters all over this land. Ooh, if I had a song, I'd sing it in the morning, I'd sing it in the evening, all over this land. I'd sing out danger, I'd sing out warning, I'd sing out love between my brothers and my sisters all over this land. Ooh, well, I've got a hammer and I got a bell and I got a song to sing all over this land. It's the hammer of justice, it's the bell of freedom, it's the song I love between my brothers and my sisters all over this land. It's the hammer of justice, it's the bell of freedom, and it's the song I love between my brothers and my sisters